Hey YouTube, 1280, what's going on? Well, I thought I would do an updated remote collection video because it's grown quite a bit. So, let's get started. We'll start off with the All-Star BA9931T. Yep. Next, we'll go with the Chamberlain 940 ESTD. Actually have a bunch of these. Battery's not in there. Okay. Next, we got another one. Okay. Next, we got my Genie Gt 90-1. That what with the Pro 80 that I had programmed with the Pro 83. Yep. Next we have my Chamberlain 418-7185-1. Same one that's on the C410. Okay. Next we have my 976 LM missing battery cover. I actually have two of these. The other one I forgot to grab. Next we have, it has a missing battery cover. Linear DDT, I believe. Definitely used and worn. Okay. Next we have my Genie wall button that I took out of a job. The logic board died and replaced it with a Craftsman. Speaking of, we've got a Craftsman 41A 7633. Got a bunch of these as well. Huh, that one didn't work at first. Huh. Cool. Next, we got my, hold on. Okay, we got my Craftsman 139-18190. The clip or plastic thing right there is broken, so and if you're wondering what that clicking noise is, it's programmed to that, so that's why. Deactivate the lock mode. Okay, next we have my Chamberlain 41A-6127-1, made July of 2014. Yep. Next, have a multi-code 3089 original. Yep. Alright. Next we got a 53779. Off the light. There we go. Made 92. Okay. Next we have my Chamberlain 300 MC. Just like Garage Geek said, it replaces the new super crappy multi-code 3089s, just made by a better company. But I'd rather have both of these programmed. If I had a multi-code receiver, I'd program this one and this, because I like the older style. Okay. Next, we have a universal Genie button. It's seen better days. It was connected to a Genie accelerator that was completely dead. I took out. So there's that. Chamberlain, 950. 950 CD, May of 2015. It's programmed. So, yep. Genie Tombstone. Model ACS CTG Type 3. Yep. My Sears 139 53718. Oops, okay. Switch hands because readjust. Actually, hold on. Sorry. Readjust here. Okay. Next, we got my multi-code 4120, newer style. This one is dead. The thing for the for the battery is broken, so that's unfortunate. Try to get this back on. There. Yep. Okay. Next, we got my clicker. Universal. I didn't realize that was programmed. KLI K3U. Yep. It's also programmed to the... If I can get this back on, that'd be helpful. There. It's also programmed to the C410 and the Pro 83. Next, we got a Chamberlain Universal KLI K2U, no battery. Yep. Next, we have my 953 CD, but the red alarm button, 390 board. Completely worn off. Next, we have my, I don't know why there's a wire in here. Next, we have a Genie Gt 90-3. Even though it says GT 912 for some odd reason. Unfortunately, this one's broken. The dip switches here are dead. They don't work for some odd reason. So, that's unfortunate. But, it's alright. I'm still going to keep it because I like having a 3-button Genie. New order style. Got another 940 ESTD that's broken. Oh, it's over there. Yep. Next, we have the Craftsman My Cube button, wall button. The 2 screws in the back are missing, but it still works. So, next we have the new or older style 4120. That's all one. Yep. Okay. Next we have the Mighty Mule MM3BT. Oops. Dead battery. Yep. Next we have a 953 ESTD. Brand new, practically. Next we have the LiftMaster 888 LM. Yep. Next we have the 850 CB. Bought this brand new. Yeah, I did a while ago. It's definitely seen some use. My GTO. Yep. Next we have the classic 81. Practically brand new. So, yep. Another one of these. 41A 7633. Yep. Genie Gt Type 2. No dip switches, of course, because this is IntelliCode. Yep. Next, we have the other 53779 with a dead battery. This one was also made in 92. Got another 950 CD. No click anymore. Okay. Multicode 3089 original. Another one. Yep. Let's take that one. Okay, next we have my 973 LM. Yep. Genie Master Remote. Model GM3T. Yep. Yeah. Yep. ACS CTG Type 1. Tombstone. Oops, sorry. Alright. Next, 53778. This thing is definitely used and worn, but it works, I guess. Still. Definitely worn and used. Okay. Genie Universal. GM GU4TG. Another one. Practically brand new. Another one of these crappy remotes. They just do not work to save life. Okay, next is my Genie M1890. The clips are broken, so it doesn't hold. On my track keys. Another one of these. Another one of these. This is weird. A lot of these didn't work. Now they do. That's interesting. 956 EV. Completely worn. So we've seen better days, but it still works. Craftsman button. Yep. Another one. Yep. Craftsman 139-53753. That is completely dead. The logic board is fried. It's unfortunate. Another Genie wall button that I got with my accelerator too long ago. Guardian. Model 303 RTX. Genie lighted doorbell button. Yep. Another one. $950 ESTD. It does work, but the battery LED's dead, or actually broke. It broke off somehow. $953CB. I got more. 371 LM. Chamberlain smart panel. Craftsman button or opener. Here's what's interesting. Got Genie sensors. And they do work. They're supposed to. It's very interesting how it works. Alright, so there we go, guys. There's all of my remotes, wall buttons, and keypads. I used to have a 58 LMS Plus, a 78 LM, but I sold those for to customers that needed them. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you later.